Hello. Today we're going to be talking about the top 10 most powerful U.S. states. We had a previous video similar to this about the top 10 most powerful countries, and that was super popular, so I decided to make another video, this time about U.S. states. Number 10, Washington. Washington has the 8th largest economy in the U.S. The capital is Olympia. The most populous city is Seattle. Washington has a coast to the Pacific Ocean. Washington is also known as the best state to live in. Doesn't really increase its powerfulness, but that was just an interesting fact. The seal of the state of Washington, 1889. You can see its borders on the right. Number 9, Arizona. Arizona is the 6th largest state in the U.S. Its capital and largest city is Phoenix. Arizona has the Grand Canyon within its borders, which is the largest canyon on Earth and is a very popular tourist site. And Phoenix is the 6th most populous city in the U.S. Number 8, Georgia. Georgia has the 9th largest economy in the U.S. and is the 8th most populous state in the U.S. Its most populous city is Atlanta, and its capital city is also Atlanta. Georgia has a coast to the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean. Ohio. Ohio is the 7th most populous state and 7th largest economy. Its capital is Columbus, and its largest city is Cleveland. It's 777. 6, Pennsylvania, which is the 6th most populous U.S. state, 6th largest economy in the U.S. Capital is Harrisburg. The largest city is Philadelphia, and Philadelphia is the 5th most populous city in the U.S. Number 5, Illinois. Illinois is the 5th most populous U.S. state, 5th largest economy in the U.S. Its capital is Springfield. Its largest city is Chicago, and Chicago is the 3rd largest and most populous city in the U.S. Number 4, Florida. Florida is the 3rd most populous U.S. state, has the 4th largest economy. Its capital is Tallahassee. Its largest city is Jacksonville. Florida has a coast to the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. Florida is surrounded on 3 sides by water, so it's a peninsula, Florida Peninsula. And it has a ton of people, and it has a lot of big cities like Jacksonville, Miami, Orlando, Tallahassee, Tampa. Number 3, New York. New York is the 4th most populous U.S. state, has the 3rd largest economy in the U.S. with over $1 trillion U.S. dollars. Its capital is Albany. Its largest city is New York, and New York City is the most populous city in the U.S., and New York City has more than 8 million people in just the city, which doesn't include the urban area and the metro area. Number 2, Texas. Texas is the 2nd largest state by land, 2nd most populous U.S. state, 2nd largest economy in the U.S. Its capital is Austin. Its largest city is, its most populous city is Houston. Houston is the 4th most populous city in the U.S. San Antonio is the 7th most populous city in the U.S. Dallas is the 9th most populous city in the U.S. And Texas has the highest growing population, so it might just soon enough surpass California, and it is a super powerful state, and it might increase, and it might get ahead of California in just a few years. Number 1, and that leads us to our number 1, which is California. It's the 3rd largest state by land, but it's the most populous state. It's the largest economy in the U.S. and has a GDP of $3 trillion U.S. dollars. Its capital is Sacramento. Its largest city is Los Angeles. Los Angeles is the 2nd most populous city in the U.S. with almost 4 million people. San Diego is the 8th most populous city in the U.S., and San Jose is the 10th most populous city in the U.S. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already for more intelligence visualized videos. See you next time.